Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, mere hours after the Jamaica Urban Transit Company rolled out its brand new buses, vandals struck.
The head of the JUTC described the latest stone-throwing attack as a senseless act. Jamila Maitland has the details.
A loud bang on the window of a Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC bus Monday morning brought back a scary but all too familiar sound for commuters of Portmore St. Catherine. Someone threw a stone in the direction of the passing bus. Luckily, no one was hurt.
It happened about 10:30 in the morning, 11 o'clock. Nobody was hurt because these glasses have a two-layer glass. There's an outside and an inside layer. We believe it's a stone-throwing incident. The matter was reported to the 100-man police station. It happened in the Portmore area.
According to Managing Director of the JUTC, Paul Abrahams, the company has been plagued by stone-throwing incidents. He warned that not only is it dangerous, but it impacts the already insufficient fleet on the roads. Frustrated, the JUTC boss revealed that the damaged bus was one of 50 that arrived in Jamaica in late August after months of delay.
This is one of the new buses that just came in. Yes, I am disappointed and heartbroken over that, it's just really something that we're trying to figure out why this is happening, and we've never been able to figure it out, but it has plagued us for multiple years.
Mr. Abrahams says the bus in question was fixed. However, the repair work is costly on the cash-strapped state-owned entity. Notably, vandalism isn't covered by the warranty. The JUTC projects an operating loss of $11.4 billion for this fiscal year, worse than the $8.8 billion for the previous period ending March 2023. And if the stone-throwing incidents continue, it could be detrimental, according to Mr. Abrahams.
And here we are, our resources are tight. We're doing everything humanly possible to move commuters. And unfortunate for us now, we got 50 buses, and we know our minister is working to really and truly bring some additional fresh wheels to the JUTC. And the first day of the rollout, we're faced with a situation like this. What does this mean to come? I hope this is not what it means to come. I really do, because this will just, create unnecessary challenges for the JUTC.
But how many people have ever been arrested or charged with vandalism of a JUTC bus? And were any of the cases successful?
Back in, 2021, in which there was a minor, and the parents took responsibility and repaired the bus.
Yeah, and then,
But that's one out of 50.
Mr. Abrahams is seeking the public's help and is urging citizens to report acts of vandalism to the police. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.